NFTs, understanding the concept for any layman. Very recently, you have probably been hearing the term NFTs pop up a lot in conversation, social media, and news. You have very likely heard debates about NFTs by financial advisors, business sites, and even from your neighborhood friend, with the latest scoop on where to invest. The business and finance world seems to have exploded with chatter about NFTs as the next revolutionary way to invest for your future. You probably have several questions about NFTs, some of which may be: 1. What exactly is an NFT? 2. How can one invest in this? 3. What is the mode of buying and selling an NFT? 4. Is there some magic formula to investing, or is the hype more than the actual value? In this article, we will try to answer these questions in very simple language. If you are thinking of looking to expand your investment portfolio with NFTs, understanding the basics of it is a must. What is an NFT? The full form of NFT is non-fungible token. Non-fungible roughly translates to mean one of a kind. What that basically means is, it is unique and can't be substituted with something else. For example, have a look at this. Artwork like The Starry Night, by Van Gogh is recognized for its originality and uniqueness. You can't replace this painting with a replica or a picture of it. Who doesn't recognize Mona Lisa? You may copy it, but you cannot reproduce it. Non-fungible tokens work on the same principle. Digital art is sold in the form of NFTs to collectors in much the same way as famous paintings are sold to art enthusiasts and collectors without using the art galleries and auction houses. If you find this information interesting, please like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you get more interesting videos in future. Let us now go further in the topic. Who can buy NFTs? Anyone can buy NFTs. However, buying and selling of NFTs is not as simple as anything else. Buyers have to make the payment in the form of cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Buyers are able to purchase ownership of NFT just as collectors buy artwork. Every NFT comes with the proof of ownership. The certificate of proof of ownership is an integral part of the NFT. This proof of ownership allows easy transfer of ownership from the seller to the buyer. An NFT allows the artist or creator to earn royalties on each sale made by each future owner even after the original sale. Two most famous sites for buying NFTs are Crypto.com and Binance. We want to caution the viewers here not to invest into NFTs unless you have studied the subject very well. NFTs are not just digital artwork though. It can be an image, picture, clip, tweet, music recordings, etc. Several celebrities have realized the potential of their popularity and are encashing it by taking an active interest in issuing their NFTs, such as Lindsay Lohan, Snoop Dogg, Jay-Z, Mark Cuban, and many more. Celebrities' interest in NFTs has seemed to boost the hype and sale of NFTs. Just imagine what would be the prices of the NFTs sold by Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, Virat Kohli, and Kim Kardashian. Where are NFTs stored? NFTs are stored on a digital platform called a blockchain. A blockchain is a clever way of saving data online. It could be cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or an NFT. The blockchain was initially designed as a way to prevent banks, acting as one central authority, from controlling access to money. Bitcoin and later Ethereum, which are both popular cryptocurrencies, are stored on blockchains. Blockchains have been adapted to store NFTs as well. Blockchains store cryptocurrency and NFTs in such a way that hacking is made extremely difficult. Blockchain does not store information on just one server. It stores information across the web on various computers. The information is thus distributed evenly across several servers, forming a chain of blocks. That is why it is called blockchain. While some people assume the mad rush to invest in NFTs is just a passing fad, many believe that NFT is the next gold rush. And it is smart to strike while the iron is hot. If you are looking to expand your investment portfolio with this creative way of investing, it is important to gain a thorough understanding before you go any further. We would like to inform the viewers again that this is just a basic information about the NFTs. In any way, we do not intend to attract the viewers to invest into NFTs or cryptocurrencies. Please do not forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Please also subscribe to our channel as we bring lot of interesting information to you about different topics. Press the bell icon so that you get the notification of the next video as soon as we release it. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video.